We're going fishing! Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited!
Look at this beautiful weather
Look at the pond.
and beautiful view. The nature here is absolutely gorgeous.
I dropped it.
No! How are you gonna catch butterflies? Okay, so here's Hadil, Zidane, HH Kids Fun's daddy, and Zach. Say hi, Zach. Hi. Say hi. Look at here, it's so pretty.
Whoa.
Wow.
I wanna go
Zach,
there.
are you ready to fish?
Yeah.
Fishing, fishing.
I wanna go in there and swim, but
Hadil, say hi to your friends and viewers. Hi. Zidane, say hi. Hi. Where's your hat? Look at Zidane's hair, guys. If you think that Zidane needs a haircut, let me know. We want to cut his hair.
oh my
And
god.
it was pretty full.
You have worms.
So tomorrow Zidane's gonna get a
We
haircut.
have worms there to fish.
Show it, show it, show it.
Should I open it?
Yeah. They're alive.
I'm so scared. Yeah, they're
You dare me to jump inside? Okay.
I don't know how to do this, man.
It's not even deep.
Let's just use the net.
Okay.
So why do
Follow instructions.
Should we let the worms free?
No, we gotta
Okay,
go
so
find
Hadil thinks that we should let the worms free, but we should use it to fish. Like this is what. Okay, so we're still waiting on
Is it
Zidane to
backwards?
What if
open
it
it.
pops out, Heidi? Watch out. Maybe it's the other way.
No.
It's this way. You got it.
Oh. Ew.
Ew. Okay, open it, open it. Oh, be careful.
Open it on the ground so these are
Oh no, it's tape here. You have to open it from this way.
It's taped. Oh yeah, it is. Guys, if you ever went fishing before, let us know by commenting down below.
Wait.
I think fishing is pretty fun, right? Hadil used to always fish when she was a little younger. Who do you think is gonna get a fish today? Hadil, Heidi, or Zidane? Oh, be careful! Watch, Zach. Watch where you're going.
earthworms.
Earthworms.
Ew, let Zach see.
Zach, look.
I want to pick one up. Baba.
Do you see it? Do you see it, Zach?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so worm time.
Oh.
It's still alive.
Oh, should I put it in?
Okay,
Oh my god.
put it in.
Wait,
Poor worm.
I'll show you. Wait.
Well, this is how we do it. So
Hold on, let me
Sorry, this is your last.
Look at the worm. Whoa.
where's the worm?
Doing.
What?
Bobby, you just roll it in.
Okay, what's up?
Okay, let's see.
There's no fish there.
So wait, you gotta wait for the fish.
Maybe there is.
Wait, do not pull
Look
it.
at this gorgeous dog. So pretty. Okay, Zidane. Come on, Zidane. You can do it.
Coming back.
Come on, fishy. Smell the worm.
The only fish I saw was very.
Come on, come on, fish.
Say, come on, fishy. Come on, fishy.
Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy.
Say, come on, fishy.
Come on, fishy.
I feel nice. Where?
Where?
She's lying.
This is the water.
Are you telling the truth?
No, I thought it was the water.
Okay, so I think we're gonna spend hours doing this, guys. Guys, let me know who's gonna get the fish. Zidane, Hadil, Heidi, or ACH Kids Fun Daddy.
Wait, the fish fell.
The worm.
The worm fell?
No, it didn't.
Did it?
I think.
Hey, she got it. You got her, man. You caught her. Pull. You caught her. Good, Zizo.
Go Zizo! He got it!
Wait. Good job, Zizo. Don't
Good
be
job,
scared.
Zizo! Wait.
Okay, but
Oh my god! Wait.
Okay, let it go. Let it go.
Wait, not yet. Wait, Zidane, wait. Oh my god, you got it, Zidane! Awesome job! Good
dead.
job! Is it eating it?
Back.
Dead.
It's dead.
No, it's not.
No, it's not dead, man. But here, let me put it in that water so it doesn't die.
Zach, put it in the water.
Put it in the water.
Okay, put it back in the water.
Hold this. Hold Zach, hold Zach.
What's that?
Oh my God, amazing job, Zidane!
Go, though.
If you guys guess that Zidane is gonna catch a fish,
Oh, Zach is crying. Can I go let the fish go?
but it's not dead, right?
No. It's
Oh,
still
okay.
swimming, but we have to take it out of the mouth so it won't be dead.
Please.
Baba, go!
Okay, so we're gonna let the fish free.
Sorry.
We're gonna let the fish free.
Where'd it go?
Awesome job.
Yeah,
Fish free. Did you let it free?
Yeah. You guys want to catch more?
Yeah.
I'll take it.
I wanna
got
catch-
one.
Oh,
I'm
Guys, Zidane
winning.
got
Can
one.
I try to
I'm
catch
winning. I'm
Okay.
winning.
Woohoo! So far Zidane have a score of 1 fish.
Give me the worm. Give me the worm.
Hadil
Guys,
0,
the worm.
Heidi 0. Good job, Zidane. How does it feel to catch a fish? Feels good.
Baba, but it's her.
I felt it. It's so slimy.
Yeah, they don't get it.
Okay, guys, so it's Hadil's turn. If you guys think that Hadil's gonna catch a fish, let us
The
know.
other one survived.
So the other one survived. We really let it go, let it free. It was an amazing feeling, right, Zidane? Yeah. Look at him. That's his proud smile. Okay, so let's see Hadil. She got it?
Yeah, she got it.
Woo! Go Hadil!
Go Adil.
Go Hadil! Hadil, get a fish, guys!
It's a big fish.
Oh, it's the same fish?
Yeah,
Oh, Hadil, show it to me. Wow, Hadil got a fish. Yay! Pick it up, pick it up.
I'm trying, but Baba, can you
Oh,
help me? I'm
Hadil got a
trying to-
fish.
Okay, watch out.
Close it and stop.
Yay! Pick it up, pick it up.
I'm gonna
Oh,
leave it alone.
Hadil got a...
You see it, Zachy?
No.
I'll take it.
Okay, wait.
Let me take a picture.
Here, hold it.
Woohoo! Good job, Hadil.
Like this. Take a picture.
Good job, Hadil.
Something
Woo, Hadil. Okay, no, wait.
Take a picture.
3, 2, 1, cheese. Wait.
Oh God, it's dying.
Here, let me take
Okay.
a picture for you. Hold on.
Woohoo! Hadil got a fish. Good job, Hadil.
Touch it.
Wow, that's
See, it's
amazing.
breathing,
Zach, look,
Mama.
Zach.
Baba, it's trying to breathe.
Want to touch it,
Can I
Heidi?
touch it? Can I touch it?
Okay, so we're gonna let it free now.
Wait, I wanna touch it.
Sit up, sit
Throw
up.
it in the water.
We're gonna let it free. Come on,
Where is
be
it? Did
free.
it swim?
Yeah,
Okay.
don't worry. You did great. Within 1 second, Heidi caught one. Oh my God, Heidi, good job.
Is it the same?
Is it the same fish?
It's not the same fish.
So they all look the same?
Come, Heidi.
Good job, Heidi.
The second.
So within a second, Heidi got a fish. Hold it,
Bro,
Zach.
I like this
turn.
bait, man. See, I told you the plastic one, they don't work. You see this guy over there? He said he didn't catch him. Very
Woohoo!
smart, man. Those is
Good job. Good job, Heidi. This is Heidi's fish.
Yeah, Heidi, look
come.
at Mama, look.
Look at mommy. 3, 2, 1, cheese.
بسرعة, it's dying.
Okay. Bye,
I
guys.
hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put a big
Thumbs up.
like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below if you have ever been fishing. Because if you haven't, it's so much fun. So
Yeah.
And guys, if you guess that each one of the kids is gonna caught a fish, you guessed right. Good job. Give this video a big thumbs up. Zach, say bye. Oh, there's a fish. Come on.
we are
Whoa!
pros at catching mini fish.
Woohoo! Oh, so then got 2 fish?
Yeah. So I.
I want to try
What?
now. No, I want to try now.
Awesome job.
We're just getting.